Hello, everybody. I'm going to give you some general concert advice, seeing as I've been to a few, and that's something I could put on the channel. So, my first piece of concert advice is when you buy the ticket, wait until the very last minute. The day before, sometimes even the day of, the concerts or the tickets will actually be a lot cheaper. And there's actually a logical explanation as to why that is. Because after the concert is over, people aren't going to sell tickets for it anymore. At least I don't know why anyone would buy a ticket for a concert that would take place after that day. Because so the people that are selling tickets, right, they have an expiration date as to when they can sell it, and that's what it is, which is why they'll be cheaper the closer it gets, because at that point they'll just want to get rid of them and they'll get what they can. My second piece of advice for attending concerts is eat right before you go, and do not buy anything to eat or drink there, because you will pay a fortune if you do. We're talking like $5 for a normal sized 20-ounce soda. If that can be helped, try not to buy anything there. And that includes merchandise too. Unless it's like signed by the band or it's like anything exclusive. I guarantee you anything they sell there is not going to be exclusive to there. So you may as well buy it somewhere else and pay half the price, if not less. So yeah, my second piece of advice is pretty much don't buy anything there. No merchandise, no food. You could eat before you go. You could wait until it's over to eat again. Like, you'll survive, okay? My third piece of advice for attending a concert is get a pair of shoes that have memory foam inside them, because you're going to be standing for a long time, and if you do that, your feet will thank you. It makes it a much better, more tolerable concert experience, because your feet will get tired if you don't do that. Actually, even if you do, they still probably will, but a lot less. So that's concert advice number 3. My fourth piece of concert advice: the band you want to see, if it's the band headlining, you should know that they're probably going to be the very last band to play. Okay, so you know how it says like, this band playing with special guest featuring. Okay, so there's actually going to be a band at the very beginning that's not even on the thing. And then if it says with special guest, they're going to be next. The band that's headlining is going to be last. So if all you care about is the one that's headlining, you could probably get there an hour after it starts and still have plenty of time, because I guarantee you, you're not going to miss them if you don't really care about the opening acts. So yeah, just know that if that's who you came to see, you're going to be waiting a while, if there's other bands with them. And I guess that is about it for my concert advice. Just thought I would make this so everyone out there could have a better and more affordable concert experience. And stay tuned if you want to see an upload of My Chemical Romance. That's who I'm seeing next. So without further ado, this is the Cool Concert Channel signing off. Thanks for watching. Rock on.